fighting position is like this, and then put your leg up, and then just whoop-ah.
Yeah, and then if you want to punch, you get in your punch.
No, like this. You put your leg up, and then whoop-ah, and then a front kick, pra, and then a punch, pra, ra, and whoop-ah. Do you hear that, Ari? It was like. What was that?
Yeah, guys. We always have like some people coming, I think, like hackers.
Yeah,
like,
but
even the spy ninjas have these people. We don't know for sure about them.
who's here?
I know.
Who's here?
I know.
So that was weird.
Yeah, that was weird.
Let's get back
Wait,
to.
what's up? I just heard it again.
Something's going wrong.
Yeah,
Really wrong.
Yeah.
What is it? Oh, shoot! Something's going super. Holy freaking crap!
Oh,
These
shoot.
erasers wasn't here. Shoot. See you on the next video. Bye.